This autumn, serve up inviting style for every gathering with tableware essentials from Hobby Lobby. There are certain elements that belong on every table, beginning with a beautiful tablecloth. When it comes to the centerpiece, incorporate a space-saving arrangement for intimate dinners or smaller tables. Give the tried-and-true vase of flowers an autumn refresh. If you've got more room to spare, expand the look with lush botanicals and additional accents. Fill out your table settings with placemats, chargers, plates, napkins, and glassware. Using these core pieces as your building blocks, you can craft a rich and dynamic fall tablescape that can be customized to any color palette or theme. Elevate the scene with modern touches, like these Blue Harvest-inspired pieces, and small, personalized accents, such as place cards for the seating arrangements. These can help guests feel special, and that's always in good taste. Autumn meals and comfort foods have a way of bringing us together, so serve your signature dish in style with the help of Hobby Lobby's exclusive staples. These tablescape must-haves are the perfect fit for any aesthetic. In this case, a cozy cottagecore look. After the table is set and your guests have arrived, it's time to gather around the serving area with plates in hand. Fall entertaining is all about mastering the art of gathering. Whatever your style, Hobby Lobby has dinnerware to suit every taste, so you can celebrate the season your way. For more inspiration, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.